Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Pi coin to USDT on Bitget. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Bitget account. Then on the homepage, you will see this more option. So tap on more. In more services, you will see this convert option. So tap on convert. Once done, you will be landed on this convert page where you will be able to see the from section. So you need to click on this drop down menu and you need to search for Pi and select Pi. After that, in the to section, you will have to select USDT because we want to convert Pi coin to USDT. Now once it looks like this, you will have to enter the amount of Pi that you want to convert into USDT and then tap on get code. Then it will show you this type of page where you will have to press this confirm button, and as soon as you press the confirm button, within a few seconds you will be able to convert your Pi coin to USDT on Bitget. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing this channel, liking the video and pressing the notification bell. Thanks for watching.